Welcome to Uncle Daddy's Mixed Beverages. In today's video, we're going to be making frozen strawberry margaritas. Let's get started. Welcome to Uncle Daddy's Soul Food. Big Boss CEO Uncle Daddy in the building once again. If you're looking for more authentic soul food and adult beverage recipes, do yourself and us a favor. First, smash that like button. Second, subscribe to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be making frozen strawberry margaritas. All gas, no brakes, we going in. The ingredients for the frozen strawberry margarita are 4 cups of strawberries, 1 whole lime juice. These are kind of small, so I'm going to use 2. We have 1.5 to 2 cups of either white rum or spice rum, whatever your preference is. 1 cup of rose grenadine and 1 cup of ice. Okay, Uncle Daddy's adult beverage, frozen strawberry margarita. We got 4 cups of strawberries, 1 whole lime juice, we have 1.5 to 2 cups of white rum, we have 1 cup of rose grenadine, and we have 1 cup of ice. This is a little more, so I'm going to hold back. Next, we blend till smooth. Alrighty, I think we got it. That's the consistency that we're looking for. Garnish it with a lime. And there you have it, Uncle Daddy's recipe for the strawberry margarita. If you have any questions, any concerns or comments about this particular recipe or any other Uncle Daddy's soul food recipe, please leave them in the comment section below. I appreciate y'all hanging out with us until the end of today's video. If you're looking for more authentic soul food and adult beverage recipes, you're in the best place on the YouTube. Do yourself a favor, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. In our very next video, we're going to take on the American favorite dessert, funnel cake. With that being said, this is Uncle Daddy's Soul Food. Until next video, deuces.